Hello friends, welcome to my channel Online Earning with Maria. So let's start today topic how to make money on Fiverr. Make your first $1 online today. I am going to show you how to make money on Fiverr step by step. If you did not know, Fiverr is a marketplace where anyone can sign up and sell service from $5. That can be anything from logo design, transcript, video creations, backlinks, social signals. You can ever get videos of your name in shells on a beach on or hold your sign while skydiving. If you have a browse through the available Fiverr gigs, you will see how varied there are really is a gig for everyone, but here are 36x Fiverr gig ideas. If you get stuck, the base bit is anyone can learn how to make money online by signing up to Fiverr as a seller and starting selling their service. This is exactly what Easy John did, earning one 16,644 in 13 days, and you are about to learn the exact process he used to make money on Fiverr. Free download 30x ways to make money with a Fiverr. If you are looking for a way to get started online, it really does not get easier than it. Credit to Easy John for revealing all this. His could have easily packaged up what you are about to learn as a ebook and sold it. Instead, he chose to teach you how to make money on Fiverr, free on change. Introducing Easy John. Easy John is a 20 years old from Nigeria. He is always looking for a new ways to make money online, stuck and success with Fiverr. He is going to share precisely how he made 1644 in 13 days in gig, so you can do this some. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is a leading marketplace for our services starting at just $5. Loads of people buy and sell service and also products every day through Fiverr. The available services range from the business promotion, social networking, and advertisement to the funny videos and graphic designs and translations to the mention just a few. These offered services are the cold gigs on Fiverr. You can find almost anything you need. People from all over the world visit the site to offer their services and expertise. My Fiverr earning. Before I get it there it things, let me show you proof of my earning that get paid from a Fiverr account which is less than 14 days old. Revenues. So look at this revenues. As you can see, it show a total 1644 earned, but has since gone on earned nearly 2000. I did all of this using a piece of software I bought from just $67.